From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. You can see that the S&P had a pretty negative day. We did bounce quite a bit from the bottom, though, and that's going to become more important in the NASDAQ 100. We gapped higher based upon U.S.-China trade relations optimism, and then we broke down, and now we've got back some of those gains. So what was once going to be a horrific outside day now looks like it's just going to be a negative day. This is probably not giving us much more in the way of clarity, although there's two sides of this coin. You can either say that the sellers finally showed up, or that this area down here, right around 2770, continues to be very important, and that buyers are coming in. Either way, expect a lot of choppiness. Over here in the NASDAQ, it's a little bit more bullish on the return during the day from the low. So I think if we do break out to the upside at 7250, that is going to be your signal for both markets. I think the NASDAQ is going to lead the way, and it makes sense because it's much more sensitive to U.S.-China trade relations. 7,000 below should be your floor.